The beginning stages of cash envelope budgeting. The method that I believe will take you so far. And if that is something that you're interested in, then just go ahead and stay tuned. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And if you like these type of videos, then I encourage that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell, and you guys, please give this video a thumbs up. We are almost at 40K, and I'm hoping I can get there before the end of the year. We will see. But if you are a returning bestie and you have already smashed that subscribe button and you are part of the family, what's good, girl? I hope your December is not Decembering like mine. But anyway, thank you guys so much for coming back by. So in today's video, I'm going to highly focus on the beginning stages of cash budgeting, the cash budget method, cash envelope stuffing, all that good stuff. I know there are a lot of videos out there where we talk about how to start the cash budgeting method. We talk about cash budgeting 101, cash budgeting for beginners, like all that good stuff. I have those videos as well. So if you want a little bit more detail, definitely check my what is it called? Playlist. Yes, I have a playlist. But anyway, I want to take the opportunity to talk about cash budgeting, the beginning stages of it, because I know that a lot of times we see the channels where the girls are budgeting and they're cash stuffing multiple envelopes, and that is definitely a place where we want to get to one day. However, in the beginning, you may want to start small. And since I am doing a low on the low budgeting stuffing today, I felt like it would be the perfect opportunity to show you how to do it. So let's jump in. So I have already completed my budget, so you will need to do that. I suggest that you do that. If you don't, then that's fine. But best practice is to complete your budget so you know how much money to actually pull out. Okay, so I'm going to be going over to that budget. Now, if you didn't catch my video where I completed the budget in detail, then I definitely encourage that you do, because it'll let you know how much money it is that I'm pulling out. Now, once you get to a point where you have kind of mastered the cash envelope budgeting method system, I know that was like a lot, but once you have mastered it, you will begin to add envelopes to your system. Okay, what I am going to start with, or the only thing that I'm going to be budgeting today is going to be for groceries. I'm not budgeting any sinking funds, and then I'm not cash stuffing any sinking funds, and then I am going to be cash stuffing debt, and that's $145. I'm going to be stuffing $200 for groceries, and that's a total of $345. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and count my cash. This is the cash right here. And $345 is not a whole lot, especially the envelopes that it's going to be going in. It's only 2 that we're working with today. But I did pull out more smaller bills just for the aesthetics of the video. You know, I have to be drama. For sure. We got to make sure that all of the bills are facing correctly. So that's another thing. If you are going to be stuffing cash envelopes, please make sure all your bills are facing the same way. I don't know why the banking lady loves to give me, the teller, that's the proper name. I don't know why the teller loves to give me these bills not facing the same direction. I'm going to ask her next time, girl, what is wrong with you? You don't like to count cash in the same direction and you do this all day long? That's probably why she don't. She's like, girl, I do this all day. I ain't got time. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure that she gave me all of my money. Even though I know that she did, but for the aesthetics of the video, I'm going to count the cash. We have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, okay? So I'm gonna be using my tiny little cash separator here. And we're gonna put the 10s there and then the 5s here, okay? So this $345. We're only gonna be working with 2 envelopes. The first envelope that we're gonna be working with is groceries. I highly suggest that you start with groceries, okay? The first thing that I do is I take out any money that I had in my envelopes. And if you remember what I said earlier, December has been Decembering. And basically what that means is I don't have any money in any of these. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I do. Look at your girl. I do have some money. I didn't think I did. Look at God. See how he will bless you with money that you find. Oh, I'm excited. So let's see how much money I have left over. 1, 2, 3. I have $5 left over. This was from my toiletries envelope. So I am probably going to add this to groceries because I need food and then I'm going to be cooking for Christmas. So I'm probably just going to add that there. So I'm just going to put this to the side, okay? So in the very beginning stages, I will recommend, what I did is I start very small. I get the hang of it. I start with 1 to 3 envelopes at a time. So for me, that would be groceries. If you do eat out, definitely have an eating out envelope, household, and toiletries, because these are the areas where people overspend the most in food, household items, especially at Target. Y'all know how we do. And then like toiletries and things. So if clothes is like your thing, if you're just always buying clothes, you probably need to go on a no spend with me in January. That's a little plug there. Okay, so I am going to be, I have budgeted here, as you can see, I have budgeted $200. Actually, let me go to this sheet here. I have budgeted $200 and that is going to be 7 20s. So I'm going to count out 7 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. That's all my 10s. And then 6 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, there's no rhyme or reason why I, took out these denominations. If you want, you can take out $200 bills. If you don't like do videos or whatever. Me, I took out smaller bills so that I'll have more bills to count. It's not that deep. I'm being dramatic, okay? So let's count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Okay. Yeah, there's a 5 I'm missing here. And then I'm going to add this to my groceries envelope. Usually, if you do have money left over, you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it in savings. You can do the $1 challenge, $5 challenge, and whatever you have left over, you're putting that money aside. You can take the money and you can allocate it to debt. You can do whatever it is that you see fit with your leftover money, okay? So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $205 is for groceries. Okay. And then that is it for my envelopes on the go. That's what I call these. This is the money that I actually carry around with me, and that is it for that. But before I close this up, I did want to talk to you guys about Fetch. I do need to take these out because this was for the last pay period and I need to scan these. If you guys don't know what Fetch is an app that you can scan your receipts in. It's a free app, and you earn points and you can cash those points in for gift cards. I have, I don't even know if I'm gonna use this. I might, I don't know, we'll see. I have cashed my points in for my luxury purchases. So whenever I buy like something fancy, that's what I use my points for, but you can use it for whatever you want to. I really encourage that you check it out. It's free to download, okay? So that is my wallet here. Next, I'm going to be stuffing my debt envelope. So let me grab that. All right, I think my debt envelope is in here. I hope it is. Let's see. Is it in here? Yes, yes it is. Okay, so this is my debt envelope. I'm gonna be adding 100. This is 40 and then 5, so $145. This is gonna go towards my debt payment at the end of the month, and that is it. So I've only stuffed 2 envelopes today, but I want you to know in the beginning stages, if this is something that you plan to do, especially in the new year, start slow. Like start with 2 to 3 envelopes, and then you will expand as you understand the process, or even as you can, as your money allows you to. You will be able to grow. I usually have more stuffing than that, but or I usually stuff more envelopes than that, but this time I just needed, if you watch my last video, you'll know why. Your girl ain't got it. But anyway, that is it for this video. I am excited because the 12 days of Christmas starts tomorrow. I will be sharing with you guys everything that I am doing to plan for 2024. I'll be giving tips and tricks for you to have an amazing year financially. And you know, I think I'll be talking about like financial and personal goals and things like that. So definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure that you guys have your notification bell on. And if you have made it this far in the video and you have enjoyed, first of all, give this video a thumbs up, please. And then also leave me a cash symbol in the comments. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.